Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we are doing a updated video, a superseded video. This video supersedes this one here. Buying tires online is the cheapest way to do it. Most tire places will balance and mount your tires for you for around $10 to $12 per tire, which is a huge savings because you can shop around. We'll have some tires in the, hey Julio, tell everybody where they can find all these products that we're going to be using.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. He made me do it. And look here for show more if you have a cell phone. Cut the straps off the tires. These are brand new for a customer, and they picked them up, deliver them here, we treat them, get them mounted for them, do all that happy good stuff. Now you don't have to clean the outsides of the tires because these have never been treated. Never had any tire shine or anything on them. So you don't have to do any of that. What you're going to do is take the old 303 and you're going to go inside, put it on a nice light mist, spin the tire, and you're going to leave this on for about a week. I know it sounds like a long time, but it's really, really worth it. You're going to love it. I mean, I'm telling you, your length of your tires, the lifetime of your tires is going to be just amazing, okay? Now we have, as I said, this is a superseded video. We've got an update. We found something that works even better than the video you just got a glimpse of earlier here. And all you do is spray the outside of the tire with your 303. And you can walk right around. Sorry for walking in front of the camera. You'll take that tire, you'll flip it over, do the same thing. Nice light mist. And then if you didn't get the other side of the interior of the tire sidewall, just give it a mist in there. Go around, do the tread at the top. Then you'll take an old rag, old towel, and just lightly wipe it inside and out. Just lightly. All you're doing is getting the slop out of there. Leave the tread unwiped. Don't wipe the tread. Flip the tire back over. Now, to really add life to your tires, and I know many of you can't believe you can extend the life of your tires, and no, it does not make the tread slippery on wet pavement and all that, okay? It is perfectly safe. We even do it to motorcycle tires. We just make sure that when we treat them, that when we do the tread on a motorcycle, well, you can see it on Sweet Scoots. Sweet Scoots. Go there, check it out, you'll find out. Now we're going to use our handy dandy serum, and this is the added bonus that you get. All you do is add a little bit to the cloth right there, and you just go over the sidewalls with the 303 that's still on it. And if you can set these out in the sun for about a week, what's the minimum time you can do this? 3 days in the sun. That tire is done. The tread has been treated. The sidewalls have been treated. We've got our 303 with our serum on top of it. Again, all the tools will be in the show more of the video description. So again, let them set for a week if you can. When you put them in your vehicle, all you have to do is you can stick each tire into a garbage bag, or you can put a piece of old carpeting down, put the tire there. I mean, they're not going to be wet, but your tire guy will have no problem mounting this tire for you. The last video we did last Saturday, they have more of the product coming out for your leather, just so you know. You can go to last Saturday's video and check that out. Wanted to give you a little tip. We are going to be looking at doing memberships and doing some really cool stuff for members who want to become part of the Sweet Elite Club. Do some live feeds and that kind of stuff where you can ask a lot of questions about your car. If that interests you and you'd like to do that, let us know. We're just looking to help you out even more.